Alright, I've been looking online for a DIY remote downstream injector, and this is what I came up with because I couldn't find anything. So I went on Amazon, got me a remote valve, and then it comes up to an ammo box. And the ammo box, got it from Walmart for like $5. And then I got a garage door opener remote, and it gets about close to about 500 feet. Here's the remote, and it cost around about $80 to build. It's a 1/2-inch ball valve, and it works pretty good. I mean, you just it's got an antenna, and then comes with two remotes, and I don't have any complaints so far, and it works really good. Hope this helps anybody out. If you have any questions, just let me know.